Let's take a look at polynomials. More specifically, we're going to actually classify polynomials by looking at the number of terms. A polynomial function, by definition, is a function that has a non-negative exponent, a non-negative number as an exponent. All right, so if I was to give you, just make up an example, y equals 3x squared plus 7x to the negative first power plus 5. Notice there is a negative exponent here. So that means this cannot be a polynomial function because polynomial functions cannot have a negative exponent. But if I was to give you y equals 5x squared plus 9x minus 3, there are no negative exponents here, so this is a polynomial function. Now, polynomials are made up of different terms. For example, here's a term, here's a term, and here's a term. These terms are separated by an addition or a subtraction sign. Now, although I say they're separated by addition or subtraction, whatever that sign is in front of the term is what causes that term to be positive or negative. For example, the first term in this polynomial is 5x squared. The second term is 9x. And the third term is negative 3. That negative is a part of this term. Now, there are three types of polynomials that we're going to talk about more specifically. The first type is known as a monomial. A monomial. Now, mono is what we want to zone in on right now because mono means one. So a monomial is a polynomial with only one term. A monomial is a polynomial with only one term, such as 4x squared, or simply just 7. These two are polynomials with one term. The second type of polynomial is called a binomial. A binomial. Bi means two. So a binomial is a polynomial with two terms. For example, negative 3x plus 1. Here's a term, and here's a term. So there are two terms there. The third type of polynomial that we're going to discuss right now is known as a trinomial. A trinomial. Hopefully you remember that tri means 3, so a trinomial is a polynomial with 3 terms, such as 9x to the 5th plus 6x to the 4th minus 8x to the 3rd. Here's a term, here's a term, and here's a term. 3 terms. So a monomial is a polynomial with one term, a binomial is a polynomial with 2 terms, and a trinomial is a polynomial with 3 terms.